Biosecurity measures are any practices, procedures, or policies in a farm in order to reduce the risks that pathogens will be introduced in the facilities, that the pathogens will be spread out around the facilities, or reduce the conditions that stressful conditions of the fish that will enhance the susceptibility of the fish for these pathogens once they are already introduced. One of the first measures to carry out in biosecurity systems is to control the access of any person in the facilities. It is advisable to have a record of the visit, the name of the person, the date, and the purpose of the visit. Once in the facility, this person has to change their clothes, wear a lab coat and boots, and pass through the security entrance that is a pediluvio full with water and disinfectants. Another measure for biosecurity is to have all the systems separated. That means different zones for each work. For example, there is a place for the larval rearing, another place for Artemia production, another place for rotifer production, and another place for the nursery. Once the fish enter in the facilities, they have to be kept in the best conditions for their rearing. So we have to keep control of the water quality, measuring every day the oxygen, the temperature, salinity, and ammonia or nitrate production, and keep the tanks cleaned, taking out all the feed that has not been consumed, and also take out all the dead fish that we can find. One of the biosecurity measures that we recommend is to have a record of all the fish that enter the facilities and all the treatments that we do, for example, changes of the fish from one place to the other, number of dead fishes during the time that they are in the facilities, or the chemical treatments that we use to prevent the diseases.